Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa on the stove. Heat a heavy skillet, dry roast whole tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, and garlic until blistered and charred. Then transfer to a blender and pulse to your desired texture. Season with salt, lime juice, and cilantro, and taste for balance. Serve warm or chill briefly, and use a spoonful to elevate tacos, eggs, or grilled meats. Adjust heat and timing to suit your stove and preferred smokiness. Gather 4 to 6 medium tomatoes, 1 small onion, 2 jalapenos, 2 cloves of garlic, a handful of cilantro, and 1 lime. Dry roast each ingredient in a single layer so they char evenly, turning with tongs to blister the skin. Let hot vegetables rest briefly before blending to loosen skins. Taste and adjust salt and lime gradually, and reserve a few charred pieces for chunky texture if you like a rustic salsa. Start with a hot pan and keep ingredients moving so they char, not blacken, for a balanced smoky note. When blending, pulse and check texture often so you can stop at salsa cruda or smooth puree. Always finish with acid and salt to brighten flavors, and consider adding a splash of olive oil for silkiness. Reheat gently if serving warm, and never overcrowd the pan when roasting for even results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.